Welcome back to our channel where fashion meets creativity and handmade elegance take center stage. Today we are showcasing an exclusive collection of modern runway crochet dresses designs that beautifully combine timeless craftsmanship with modern fashion. These stunning runway inspired looks highlights the beauty of crochet through elegant silhouettes, artistic details, and sophisticated styling. Sit back, enjoy the collection, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comment which runway dresses impressed you the most. Have you ever wondered how a simple strand of yarn can be transformed into a runway masterpiece? That's exactly what makes crochet fashion so fantastic, fascinating. Every dress in today's collection requesting hours of creativity, precision, and craftsmanship. Providing that handmade fashion can be just as luxurious and breathtaking as any designer couture seen on international runway. As you watch each model walk the runway, take a closer look at the incredible detail woven into every design. From delicate lace-inspired patterns to bold geometric textures, every stitch adds character and elegance. These are not just dresses, they are artistic creations that showcase the beauty of handcraft fashion and its finest. Runway crochet dresses have become one of the most admired trends in this fashion world. Designers contribute to transform traditional crochet techniques to luxurious garments that appear on international fashion runway. These dresses celebrate handmade artists while introducing bold creativity, modern silhouettes, and high fashion elegance that capture attention with every step. As the model present each designs, notice how every crochet dress has its own unique personality. Some designs feature flowing floor length silhouettes that give graceful and dramatic appearance, while others embrace shorter contemporary styles that feel youthful, fashionable, and effortless chic. Every dress reflects his creativity and vision behind modern crochet fashion. The intricate stitch work visible throughout these runway dresses demonstrates the remarkable craftsmanship, elegant patterns, and visually stunning details that elevate each dress into a true work of wearable art. One of the most captivating aspects of crochet runway fashion is the use of texture. Unlike ordinary fabrics, crochet naturally creates depth and dimensions through its handmade, handcrafted patterns. The textures integrate beautifully with runway lighting, adding elegance and visually richness that makes every dress unforgettable. Some of these dresses is collection showcase delicate lace-inspired crochet patterns that create soft romantic appearance. Others feature bold geometric designs, floral motifs, or artistic stitch combinations that give each garment a distinctive runway identity. This diversity demonstrates the limitless creative possibilities of crochet fashion. Neckline featured in these runway dresses contribute greatly to their elegance. High necks, sweethearts, necklines. The flowing movement of these crochet dresses is another reason they are so admired on the runway. As each model walks, the carefully crafted patterns, fringes, layer details, and lightweight constructions create graceful motions that enhance the beauty of every design. Color selection also plays an important role in make crochet fashion elegant. Neutral shades create timeless sophistication, while bold colors make dramatic fashion statements. Soft pastels offer delicate femininity, and rich jewel tones bring luxury and confidence to every runway. Many of today's fashion designs combine traditional crochet craftsmanship with modern tailoring techniques. This fusion results in dresses that preserve the authenticity of handmade artistry while embracing contemporary fashion trends that appeal to modern audiences around the world. The attention to detail found in runway crochet dresses extends beyond the stitch work itself. Decorative borders, artistic sleeve designs, elegant hemline, texture panels, and carefully shaped silhouettes all contribute to garments that look refined for every angle. These crustaceans prove that handmade fashion can stand proudly alongside luxury designs collections. The precision, creativity, and dedicated required to create such garments make every piece feel exclusive and truly special, celebrating both fashion innovations and traditional craftsmanship. As you continue watching this collection, notice how every model brings life to each designs. Through confident runway presentation, the combination of graceful movement and exceptional crochet artistry allows every dress to shine over, revealing its unique beauty from every perspective. Runway dresses continue to inspire designers, fashion enthusiasts, and handmade fashion lovers around the world. Notice how every runway looks like a different fashion story. Some dresses capture effortless elegance with flowing silhouettes, while others make a bold statement through dramatic texture and eye-catching patterns. Whether your style is minimalistic or glamorous, there is inspiration here for every fashion enthusiast. If you enjoy these beautiful runway looks, don't skip ahead because some of the most stunning crochet dress designs are still coming up. So if you are new here, please subscribe our channel, like, share, and two comments. Whether your style is minimalistic or glamorous, these designs are really beautiful. Fashion is constantly evolving, but crochet has proven that it never goes out of style. Designers continue to invent this timeless craft by introducing modern cuts, elegance, shaping, and innovative patterns combinations that make crochet dresses suitable for both everyday elegance and luxury runway events. Imagine wearing one of those beautiful dresses to a beach wedding, a summer party, a vacation, or special evening event. Crochet fashion has the rare ability to combine comfort, sophistication, and individuality, allowing every woman to express her personal style with confidence. One detail that often goes unnoticed is how beautifully crochet dresses move the body as the models walk. Every layer, every texture, and every handcraft detail create graceful movement that brings the entire designs to life. Some of today's featured designs blend classic crochet techniques with modern fashion trends, creating dresses that feel both timeless and contemporary. This combination allows crochet fashion to remain relevant season after season while continue to inspire new generations of dress designers and fashion lovers. As you continue watching, challenge yourself to pick your favorite designs. It is elegant, long drawn. By the end of this collection, we would love to know which runway look captures your attention is the most. We hope this collection of modern micro dress designs has inspired you fresh fashion ideas and showcased the incredible artistry behind crochet culture. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this beautiful runway looks, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notification for more inspiring collection of crochet, fashion, runway styles, and handmade designs ideas. See you in the next fashion showcase. Thanks for watching and stay tuned, stay crochet.